Use the scatter plot shown to estimate the distance traveled in 15 minutes. So here we have distance for the vertical axis and time for the horizontal axis, and there are a bunch of data points on here. So to estimate the distance, we're going to need to draw a line of best fit through these data points and then extend that line up to, we're trying to get 15 minutes. So 15 minutes is over here. We're going to be extending this line over through 15 minutes, and then we'll try to estimate the distance, which we can read off from the scale here. So when you're drawing a line of best fit, you want to try to go through the middle of the data points as best as you can. And really what you want to do is you want to use a straight edge if possible. A ruler can be very helpful. In fact, it's almost mandatory. If you try to draw it by hand, you're not going to get a very straight attempt, and you could be off by quite a bit. Okay, so there we go. Notice that this line is pretty much through the middle of the points. It misses this guy here, it misses this one, it misses this one too, but that's okay because it goes through the middle of those 3 points. And that's what you want the best fit to do, is to go through the middle of the points. Now let me see, from up here, this is where you cross 15, so I'm going to kind of come over here, and I'm a little off the graph here, but that's alright. I'm going to try to estimate as best as I can how far up this is. And it looks to me like it's about another full grid line here up. And that makes me think that because these grid lines go by 5, because 5, 10, 15, this next one would be 20 right here. So I'm going to estimate that the distance is 20 miles for 15 minutes. And that is how you use a scatter plot to estimate or predict.